Ay, Robert, pasagot naman ito, oh.
Ano ba yan? Oh, work problem. Okay, this one is the classic work problem na may konting twist na pwede kayong magkamali. If you know normally how it is being done, this should not be a problem in solving, but more on interpreting. Okay, so John can paint a fence in 4 hours. His brother, Michael, works half as fast as John. If they work together, how long will it take them to paint the same fence? To solve this, pwede tayong normal yung mga representation, etc. Yun naman yung start ko that way back day 1. How do you understand it? Now, since tapos na tayo sa understanding part, na-gets yun na hopefully, let's now focus on how to do it faster. So, I'll teach you a shortcut which some of the viewers also commented na ito yung solution nila, shortcut. So, this is actually the shortcut to that. So, the formula is actually T is equal to AB over A plus B. So, ano yung T? Ano yung A? Ano yung B? A represents the rate of A, while B represents the rate of B. While T here represents the time worked together. Now, sabi natin dito, John can paint a fence in 4 hours. That means 4 here will be the rate of John. Pwede gawin kong John is J. So that is 4. Then, Michael works half as fast as John. Paano naman ngayon si M? Half as fast. So, half of 4 is 2. Tama ba?
Eh?
Bakit mali?
Not sure.
Nagilito na. Tandaan natin, we're talking about the rate. We're talking about speed. When you are half as fast, do you need more time or less time to finish the job? Pag sinabi half as fast, mas mabagal. So, ibig sabihin lang nun, tatagal.
Ah, times 2.
Kaya magiging times 2 siya. So, pag biniligtad natin naman, pag sinabi twice as fast, kung 4 hours siya,
Kalahati.
2 hours na lang kailangan niya para matapos. Okay? So,
Okay.
make sure that is very clear. Therefore, we'll need 8 hours to finish the job. So, the time that they work together, ang tanong na ngayon. So, for the time, we simply plug in the J and the M. So, that's gonna be 4
4
times
is
8 over 4
4 plus
plus
8.
8, which will be 4 times 8. 4 plus 8 is
12.
12. Why don't I like to multiply them?
Lowest term.
My goal is to just to lowest term them. Pag pinalaki yung number, sino mahirapan? Ikaw?
Ako.
Ikaw pa rin, di ba? O, ba't pa natin pahirapan sa sarili natin, right? So you can see that the 4 and the 12 both are divisible by 4. This is now become 1. This is now become 3. So the answer here will be 8
8 over
over 3 or 2 and 2 third
2/3
hour. So what is 2 third hour? How
40
many minutes
minutes.
are there in 1 hour?
60.
60, right? Therefore, this is now 20 and 1. 2 times
40.
20 is
40 minutes.
minutes.
Mhm.
But if you notice here, alam mo na 2 hours at may butal. So the only choice that can match is already your letter B. Okay? Ayan lang.
Yes, kakayanin ko na yung